how are you all? I hope you all have bought new edition of your books. So today we are just continuing our previous chapter, but we are taking new topics in it. So we are continuing our previous chapter, that is playing with numbers, and today we are going to start types of natural numbers. As I told you that natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1 and goes to your infinity. Okay, so your natural numbers are further divided in several parts. So first one is your even number. A natural number which is exactly divisible by 2 is called an even number. So they told you that a natural number which is exactly divisible by 2. Exactly divisible by 2 means when we divide that number by 2, our remainder is coming 0. Okay, for example 2, when you divide 2 by 2, your answer is your remainder is coming 0, like 4, then 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. They all are known as your even numbers. Why? Because when we divide these numbers by 2, we are getting their remainder as 0, or we can say that these are exactly divisible by 2. Okay, your second is odd numbers. A natural number which is exactly not divisible by 2 is called an odd natural number. So here they are exactly divisible by, and here they are not exactly divisible by. For example, take 3. When you divide 3 by 2, what is your remainder is coming? It's coming 1. So it is 3 is not exactly divisible by 2. So 3 becomes your odd number. Okay. And then your 5 is there. 7, 9, 11, 13. These all are known as odd number. Why? Because they are not exactly divisible by 2. It means when you divide them by 2, you will get some remainder. Okay. So next is your prime number. A natural number greater than 1 is called a prime number if its only factor are 1 and the number itself. It means a prime number is having only two factors. One is 1 and the other number is the number itself. For example, 2. 2 is having only two factors. One is 1 and the other one is 2 itself, like 3, and then it's your 5, then 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. So all of these are having only two factors. One is 1, as I told you, 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, and another one is the number itself. So these are called your prime numbers. Next is your composite number. A natural number is called composite number if it has more than two different factors. It means it is having more than two different factors. For example, 4. Now see how many factors 4 is having. 1, then 2 and then 4. It means it is having 3 different factors. So this becomes your composite number. Now next one is your 6, another one is your 8, 9, then 10 and so on. So all these numbers have more than two different factors. So these are called your composite numbers. This is your co-prime numbers. Two natural numbers are called co-prime numbers if they have no common factor other than 1. So two natural numbers are called co-prime when they have no common factor other than 1. For example, 2 and your 3. See, 2 and 3 have only one common factor, that is 1 only. Okay. Another one is your 3 and 8. You can take 3 and 8 having only one common factor, that is 1. So these all are known as your co-prime numbers. Like 5 and 6, they have only one common factor, that is 1 only. Okay. Now next is your perfect number. If the sum of all the factors of a number is equal to twice of the number, then the number is called a perfect number. Now how you will understand it? For example, we take a number like 6. Okay. Now I have to write the all factors of 6. So factors of 6 will be 1. 6 goes in table of 1 also. 2, then 3 and then 6. So what they have said, if the sum of all the factors, it means you have to add them all. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 will be 12. Okay. Now see here the sum. What sum we are getting? 12 is twice of the number. When we do twice of 6, what we are getting? 12. So this is known as your perfect number. Okay. If the sum of all the factors, I have done sum of all the factors is equals to twice of the number. See, this sum is coming twice of this number. It is coming twice of 6. So, sir, your 6 is known as perfect number. Now, next is your twin primes. Pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin primes. So, first you take a pair of prime number. Let me take a pair of prime number like 2 and 3. Now, what is the difference between their difference? It's 1, though it is coming minus 1. But if I write 3 minus 2, its difference is coming 1. Okay. So, this is not a pair of twin prime. Why? Because they have said whose difference is 2. Now, take another example. Next example I have taken is 3 and 5. Now, what will be their difference? 5 minus 3 will be 2. So, this 3 and 5 are known as your twin prime. Another example is your 5 and 7 you can take. Okay. So, 7 minus 5 is 2. Again, they both are prime numbers and their difference is 2. So, these numbers are called twin prime. Now, last one is prime triplet. A triplet of consecutive prime numbers which differ by 2 is called a prime triplet. Consecutive means the number which comes one after another. Okay, and they have some prime numbers, so you have to find a consecutive pair of prime numbers, and that is also a triplet you have to find. So there is only one prime triplet, that is 3, 5 and 7. And when you find out the difference between two, so 7 minus 5 is also 2 and 5 minus 3 is also 2. So there is only one prime triplet, that is 3, 5, 7, which differs by 2 is called a prime triplet. Thank you and have a nice day.